Hello everyone, I'm back and today I'm going to Malta and I'm traveling from Gatwick Airport in London. It's a rainy day today and approximately 3 hours flying time to get there. Kaya let's sit back and relax. Wow, what a lovely sunset. And we're here in Malta. Hello, ito yung city gate nila. Napalibutan ng wall. And the Triton Fountain, main landmark here in Valletta. And the Triton's Fountain is a fountain located just outside the city gate of Valletta, which is the capital city of Malta, and it consists of 3 bronze tritons holding up a large basin. And this enormous fountain is one of Malta's most important landmarks. And I'm heading out on island tour. Welcome to the Valletta Harbor. And now, ready na ako mag-island tour. So ito po yung ferry boat sakyan namin. It's Gozo and Comino and Blue Lagoon. So dyan po tayo sasakay. And that is the Comino Island. Sa Comino Island, matatagpuan ang sikat na attraction na tinatawag na Blue Lagoon. Ito po ang sample photos. But unfortunately, due to bad weather condition, we can't able to visit the Blue Lagoon. It's like a cave here. Now, let us explore the Gozo Island. Magsa-sightseeing tour kami dito sa Gozo. It's an island part of Malta. And let's enjoy the exquisite views of the islands. And if you look towards your right, you will catch a glimpse of the Comino Island. The island also comes complete with historical sites, ports, and amazing panoramas, as well as one of the archipelago's best preserved prehistoric temples. Nandito po ako ngayon sa top bus to sightseeing tour. Gozo has a beautiful landscape and a spectacular coastline waiting to be explored. And now, let's check some of my photos. And that's all for today. Thank you for watching.